Hey everyone, welcome back. A session expired error means the app logged you out for security reasons. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for RBC mobile app and completely close it, then reopen it after waiting about 30 seconds. Then log in using your client card number or username and password. Next, avoid switching apps repeatedly while logged in, as this can trigger session expiration. Now make sure that your phone's date and time and set to automatic. Go to your settings and then go to general. Then scroll down and click in date and time and make sure that the set automatically app is toggled on. After that, make sure if the error repeats, head over to your app store, search for RBC mobile app and update the app or reinstall it. Logging in usually restores your session immediately, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.